I don't know who needs to hear this thing, but this is your sign start making YouTube videos here on YouTube in 2025. We have seen a lot of things happening from DoorDash to a lot of YouTubers blowing up on YouTube. Even small YouTubers are going really viral on YouTube now. Even me, I've gotten my first 600 views here on YouTube in 1 month of posting on YouTube. And this is your sign to start YouTube. I don't know who needs to hear this. This is your sign to start making videos on YouTube. Start posting content on YouTube. Even if they don't do well, keep posting content on YouTube. And this is your sign to start early, because by February or by March 2025, more people will come into YouTube, and this is why they will come into YouTube, because there's a new virus in China that they call HP whatever virus, which is sent to break out. And when it does break out, or I'm not praying it breaks out, but I feel like when it probably does happen, and it leads to another COVID, which is sit at home, stay at home, do nothing, and wait for the government to tell us to resume back to work, you will get bored. And if you start YouTube now, by that time you probably be a step ahead of other persons on YouTube. So this is your sign to start making videos on YouTube. YouTube will change your life. If you go on YouTube and search how YouTube changed my life, you're going to see a ton of videos telling you how YouTube changed their life, how YouTube got them their first $1,000, how YouTube did this, how YouTube did that. Like, YouTube is the new gold or whatever to make money on social media or online or anything. All we need is us an active community, a community of small creators like you that want to grow like you, that want to be active like you, that want to put out content like you on YouTube. YouTube is the new gold mine anywhere. I quote me anywhere. YouTube is the new gold mine. This is your sign to start making videos on YouTube. This is a video that once you watch this video, once you're done watching this video, pause the video, get your camera, get your phone, get your script, start writing what you want to start talking about on YouTube. YouTube is not that hard at the end of the day. Aside from if you want to start making crazy videos like Mr. Beast kind of videos and things like that. But if you want to just sit down and talking to the camera and be authentic and be real and be original, put out that video today. YouTube started promoting videos that are very original, very raw, very organic, very unedited, very unscripted, very human related content here on YouTube. You can see DoorDash, you can see a lot of content creators coming out new on YouTube and making cool money on YouTube. So this is your sign. Once you see this video now, pause this video or finish this video to the end and get your cameras up and start filming on YouTube. YouTube can change your life for the very, very good in 2025. And if there's one thing I want you to have at the back of your mind is that if you should start YouTube today, which is January when I'm filming this video, by August or by June, July, you should start seeing good results. At least by March or April, you should get monetized if you're consistently putting out content on YouTube. And by June, July, you should start seeing good $100, $200, $500 on YouTube if you are consistent. So this is your sign. Put out that video. Put out that video. Don't post once a week. This video not for you to post once a week. This video is for you to post every single day. Monday you're posting, Tuesday you're posting, Wednesday you're posting, Thursday you're posting, Friday you're posting, Saturdays you're posting. You can even post twice a day, 3 times a day, 4 times a day. Put out that content. YouTube is the new mine. If you go on your explore page on YouTube, you will hardly see a big creator on YouTube. You're only going to see small creators, smaller creators, 10,000 views, 2,000 views, 1,000 views, 300 views. You will hardly see 1,000,000 views videos on YouTube, because YouTube is done with all the oversaturated, over edited, over everything content, over scripted content. I'm not saying that scripted content are bad, but YouTube is in an era where they are going for original content. Not only YouTube, even the audience are here for original content, originally made content, originally filmed content, originally unscripted content. So this is your sign to pick up that camera and start making videos on YouTube. All you have to do is just put the camera on landscape, like portrait mode, landscape mode, and you're good to go and start making videos. Talk about your experience, talk about your journey, talk about your story, share your story on YouTube, and you'll find your audience. I'm telling you for a fact. Even me, I'm picking up my camera now, start making videos on YouTube. This is a sign for you to make videos on YouTube. Pick up that camera and start making videos on YouTube. Look at what I do. I script my content on a paper. I script mine on a paper, and when I'm done, I kind of put it here behind the phone, and I kind of write my key points on it. And when I look at it, I have an idea what I want to talk about, and I continue talking to the camera. Right? It's as easy as it looks. Pick up your camera and start making that video on YouTube. Be consistent. And if there's another thing I found out about YouTube is that mostly it's about the girls compared to the boys. Boys are more of those that just watch content. They don't really make content. I don't know who told you that, but boys also create content. So pick that camera up today and start making content. Be you a boy, be you a girl. Because I feel like girls are mostly those that like making content, or when I say social media favors them a lot. But as a boy, pick up that camera today and start making that content on YouTube. You never know who watching your video. You never know who is going to pay you for a promotion tomorrow. You never know the brand that will send you a product tomorrow for a review. You never really know all these things. So pick up that camera and start making that content today. I'm not the most consistent person to tell you guys about content. I'm not the most experienced person to tell you about content, but pick up that camera and start creating content. And that's all I want to tell you about this video. Do well to please like and comment and subscribe to my channel so I can also grow on YouTube. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Make that content, film that content, and post that content.